Welcome back to day 3 of my 37 sensors challenge, where I build insane Arduino projects using different sensors every single day. To create this project, you will need the following requirements: Arduino UNO microcontroller board, KY037 big sound sensor, LED, breadboard, and some jumper wires. Now let's connect everything. VCC to 5 volts, ground to ground, out pin to digital pin 2, LED positive to pin 13, LED negative to ground. Circuit ready. Let's plug in the power for action. The code is super simple. We connect the big sound sensor output to digital pin 2 and the LED to pin 13. The Arduino continuously reads sound data from the sensor, and whenever sound is detected, the LED turns on. If there's no sound, the LED turns off. After writing the code, select the correct Arduino board and COM port, then compile and upload the code to the Arduino UNO. Let's test it. Whoa! This can actually be used for clap switches, noise detection systems, smart automation, and even security projects. And that's day 3 completed. Tomorrow's sensor is going to be even crazier. So subscribe to Sarkit EdTech and follow this 37-day Arduino challenge.